Alright, so today I'm going to put on some text using paths. First, you might want to set up your image. I'm just something like this with a background layer and just an object. I'm going to put my, first I'm going to grab my path tool or my pen tool, and I'm going to have it set to the paths. Make sure it's not on shape layers because you just need the path. You're going to want, since the text goes left to right, you want to start your path on the left and then go to the right. Otherwise, your text would be upside down. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to, let's see, click again, kind of start making the shape, and then click again, start making that shape. Okay, so there's my path. Then I'm going to switch to the text tool. Now, if I do center alignment up here with my text tool, I'm going to click on the center. If I'm using left alignment, I'm going to click on the left side. Now let me set my I'm going to set my text first. Okay, my font. I mean, so I'm using center alignment. Now you got to be careful. If your cursor is like this, it means you're going to start a new layer, and it's not going to attach to the path. But if you put your cursor close to it, you'll see that it changes, and that tells you that it is attaching to the path. So you can see I kind of clicked right there, and I'm just going to call it donuts. Okay, all right, and that will wrap around the path, so you can type in more. Once you get to the edge, though, it will stop your text. Okay, so I just want donuts going around that. Hit the check mark. Okay. Now the other thing you can do with paths and text is you can use paths to create a text box in an odd shape. So let's say I want to start right here. So it's click. I'm going to just do the straight sides right now. I'm going to hold Shift, click, click, click. And let's say I want it to wrap around the side of the donut. So I'm just going to, this one I'm going to drag out and have it go right around the donut like so. Now I want to choose my text tool. I want left alignment this time because I want to line up on the left side of this text box, and I'm just going to, I think you can just click anywhere it's in there, it'll automatically put it at the top left corner. Now I'm just going to write myself a little haiku. Donuts are very good. Press enter to go to the next line. Warm chocolate icing on top. Enter to go to the next line. A cold glass of milk. Okay, so if you want to, you can kind of highlight it, change the size of it if you find it's too big or too small. And if you want to change the spacing of the lines, you can always just click on this button right here to open that up. And you see it already was open for me. Put your cursor right here on the spacing that I think it's called leading. Yeah, leading, and you can, let me highlight my text again, and drag, and you can see how big it will go. Okay, and press check mark, and it should be done.